Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So something a bit different today. Just a sort of little recap video. Let's look back at something that I did, a video that I did on the 27th of February. So before I used to have as many subscribers. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'll show you my channel analytics as well, so you can just see how those subscribers and views are going up quite quick. So back then I didn't really have anybody watching my channel, and yeah, no, and I'm massively grateful to all you guys. I'm genuinely glad you guys do see some value in watching my content, because that's what I want to do. That is my aim, is to basically produce some content that is useful for you guys. I mean, I don't want to just waste everybody's time, but the fact you guys are subscribing and watching my videos, I mean, that just tells me that's all the feedback I need to know that I am producing value. So that's really good. That's good for my inner self. So anyway, let's have a look at what we are talking about. So what we were talking about was my Etoro account, and the video was titled, oh, you guys can't see it here, it basically says, welcome to my dirty little secret, the neglect of my Etoro. This stops today. Etoro #trading. Got 6 likes. I got 133 views. So yeah, basically, as you can see, I set up an Etoro account in 2019. I did a little bit of trading, and then it sort of tailed off. I just left it at 19% for the year, thought that was okay. And then I had a bit, obviously, the market's got a bit shaky. I wasn't properly trading this account, if I'm honest. I mean, you can see I wasn't really trading it. I had a few positions on. I think the main one that messed me up, and bear in mind, this is way before it had a massive collapse. One of my positions that messed me up a lot was Looking Coffee. I took some big hits on that, and like I said, this is way before it basically had its big collapse. But yeah, so yeah, you can see I was basically 13.79% down for the year. I also had a little bit of a beef with one of their popular investors who decided to like pick a little bit of fun at me, because obviously you could see that I'm a full-time trader. You could see that this is my job. He should have been able to see that Etoro isn't obviously where I trade. And yeah, thought he'd have a little bit of dig, telling me about how he was up compared to me for the week, month, year, whatever. Sorry, the year. What was it? He was up for the month, the quarter, and the year. So congratulations to that guy at that point in time. Well done. And anyway, from that point, I thought, right, I've got to sort this out, guys. I'm not having this guy. This guy tell me whatever he wants to tell. What do you know what I mean? I wasn't having it, basically. I wasn't having it. So right, so here we go. So here's what the accounts are like now. So you can see we were at that point in time down 6.9% and down 7.4. Did we make a bit? Oh no, it got worse. It got worse, guys. So we ended up down 9.3. So down 6.9, 7.4 to down 9.3. So I thought, right, okay, we're gonna have to obviously, I mean, I've already ruined it for you guys. You can see the stats now. So anyway, I thought, right, we're gonna turn this around. And bear in mind, this March month was actually a lot down as well. It did take me a while to reverse this whole ship and get me back up again. So overall, probably from peak to trough, I was probably up about 15% on this month. So then I thought, okay, that's great. I did sort of think, right, shall I tail it off a bit? Shall I tail it off? Shall I keep trading? Wasn't really sure. And then, so I sort of thought, right, okay, do you know what? Let's go for it. Let's go for it in May, in the month of May. So this is this month, isn't it? This month, yeah. So I thought, right, let's go for it. Let's smash some trades around, and bang, 38.12% up for the month. And now I'm 26% up for the year, when I was actually 13.79% down. And then you can see I went even further down than that, because I went to 9.3% down. So that's probably, I was a good 15, 16, 17% down for the year, to 26% up for the year. So congratulations, Trading with Dan. Also, in my little bit of my my eToro online beef, I actually managed to get blocked from commenting, because this guy's one of Etoro's big money makers. He didn't like it, the fact I was overtaking him and he was losing money, and I pointed it out, and he just got a bit, like how people do that. I mean, those people that can give it but they can't take it. So anyway, he complained. So obviously he's got an ear at Etoro because he's one of the big earners. And yeah, got me blocked from posting. So literally I had to keep emailing, sending screenshots saying, look, it wasn't me. I wasn't the one starting these arguments. It was nothing to do with me. I was civil. The guy was calling me an idiot. The guy was just ripping into me. Yeah, and eventually they've given me it back now, so I can actually post on this. But so what I did in that meantime, when I couldn't post, because I know I do get a lot of you guys to my YouTube come from Etoro, and that's really good. This is what I like about Etoro, is a social element. Obviously that social element has its downsides when people decide that they want to hate on you, but hey, haters gonna hate, aren't they? You know how it is. It's just this is the world, isn't it? I mean, there's a lot of you guys hating on my shirt as well, so but it just is, it is what it is, isn't it, guys? But anyway, so I set a new one up, which a lot of you guys will know me from. So you can see I'm actually, it looks worse than it is, because I started it, I did one trade, made 0.03%, but I started it in May basically. So for the month of May, I'm actually down 0.78%, so not down much at all. But what I will tell you is I had a shocker of this month on my newer account. I had a shocker. Basically, I'm a tactical short trader at the moment. I think we're in a bear market bounce. The economy and everything is all rubbish. So in this sort of account, I'm sort of trading it tactical short. I'm not really trading the TD trades. This is just a separate little play around. So obviously, yeah, I'm down. I mean, I'm obviously down. I mean, it's the market's gone up a lot. So for me, this is how tactical shorts work. If you guys know, this is literally like a legitimate hedge fund category, tactical short. So what you have as like say a family office or a big investor or an institution, you'll put a certain amount of your capital with what's known as a tactical short hedge strategy, hedge fund, where so when the market moves up, you expect to not lose a lot or lose some but not a lot. But then when the market moves down, that's when you clean up and you make some big gains. So yeah, you can see tactical short. So obviously I'm expecting a bit of a turnaround. We've maybe got a bit of a catalyst going on in the US at the moment, so potentially that's gonna make a bit of a difference. So yeah, so that was it really. And then yeah, so over to my analytics. I did want to show you guys that obviously this video, 27th of February, only got 133 views. But yeah, so if you look at now my analytics, here it is in all its glory. 538 subscribers, every single one of you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting my channel via the algorithm. I'm glad you're getting value from it. But yeah, my views, I mean, if you look at this, the last 28 days, right, I've had 14,800 views in the last 28 days, which is 13,300 more than normal. So that's basically 1.5k is what I would usually get. So I've got 14.58k now. So I mean, this is just great, guys. I mean, honestly, and 300 subscribers in the past 28 days, which is obviously most of my subscribers. But yeah, still I found it interesting that one of my most watched videos is this guy. It's literally a rant. I just lost it with this guy one day. I thought I had to vent myself. I had to come onto YouTube, and I vented, and I just told him how much of a clown. I just said how much a clown I thought this guy was, etc., etc. But yeah, that's my most viewed video, my top one. I mean, I do know it's a bit different because fair enough, this is at 800 views, but a lot of my actual Bitcoin updates are getting well over 200 views. So obviously, this is something that people can watch at any point that they see it. But these videos, I mean, these videos self-destruct, don't they, after the day? So I don't imagine a lot of people are going to watch these videos 1 day, 2 days later when you got an updated new version to watch and new price action, and because that's how it is, isn't it? So yeah, that's obviously got my most for the period. But I mean, these videos are clearly getting the majority of my views overall, these video sets I'm doing. So yeah, it's really good. And then obviously I've got my 3 commerce tutorials. that I'm doing. So I've actually got spoke to 3Commas about trading on them again, because I was using Alertatron, as you bot traders know, my bot trader friends. But yeah, back to 3Commas. So I'm going to start doing these videos. I'm just so busy doing some doing a mentoring video, video series at the moment, that I haven't had a chance to start these. But yeah, my 3Commas one's getting a lot of views, so that's clearly something we're all interested in. Bot trading, automated traders. 3Commas is a really good site. I really do like 3Commas. I just couldn't get the functionality on it that I wanted, but now they're doing that. Now the functionality I wanted, they've now got it. So that's really good. So yeah, so this is sort of like a bit of a vlog update. I mean, let me know in the comments what you think. I know a lot of my videos are just videos talking about the specific trading markets and the day and what we're looking at. I can do more of these, just general catch up and what I'm doing and what I'm looking at and what's cracking, just generally for you guys to basically yeah, listen to. So sort of like a vlog. Yeah, any other things you want to know, anything else you're interested in knowing about or revisiting or anything, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, just hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed. Obviously I know in the analytics I can see that most of the people that do watch my videos aren't subscribed. I think it's only like 25%, and that is normal for YouTube. That is normal for people on YouTube to only like say 25% of your viewers to be subscribed. But yeah, but if we can just get a few more percent, squeeze a few more percent out of that would be amazing. But yeah, I really appreciate all you guys. Again, like I said, thanks for listening to this video. Yeah, just a funny little catch up on my Etoro. Yeah, so thanks for listening guys, and I will speak to you all again soon.